1995. Over the course of his legendary career, he became one of the most decorated boxers in the history of the sport, capturing world championships in a record 8 weight divisions from flyweight to super welterweight. Pacquiao has thrilled fans across the globe with his blistering speed, his explosive power. His resume includes unforgettable victories over boxing greats Oscar De La Hoya, Ricky Hatton, Sugar Shane Mosley, Juan Manuel Marquez, and Miguel Cotto. He supposedly retired in 2021 with a professional record of 62 wins, 8 losses, 2 draws, with 39 of those wins by way of knockout. Now, inducted into the modern category, ladies and gentlemen, Manny.
I think that's it. Okay.
Finally, we're about to break final round.
You did it, champ.
First of all, I'd like to thank God for this giving us a good day and giving us good health, keeping us safe. Praise to God. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for all the awareness and to all of you who are here. I came from nothing, just a small boy from the streets of Jefferson City. No shoes, no food, no chance, just a dream in my heart. I know hunger, I know pain, I know what it means to be counted out. But I also know what God can do when we keep the faith and never give up. Boxing gave me a way out. It turned my struggles into strength, my failures into lessons, and my pain into purpose. From flyweight to junior middleweight, 8 divisions. Every fight, every victory was a step forward from poverty. It was not just for me, but for my family, for the Filipino people, and to all the fans, and for the glory of our God. I never chased greatness. I just worked hard to be better than Manny Pacquiao I was yesterday. I never picked the easy fights. I choose the hard ones. I move up weight after weight, not to protect a record, but to test my limits. And now, when I look back, 8 division world champion, world titles in 4 different decades, oldest welterweight world champion in history. Those are not just opinions, they are facts. But greatness isn't what you call yourself, it is how you live your life and how you inspire others. So call me a fighter, call me a warrior, call me a proud Filipino, call me a servant of God. Some people ask, who is the greatest of all time? That's not for me to decide. It belongs to the fans, it belongs to history. Thank you to all the promoters who helped promote my fights in the beginning of my career until now. But I want to especially thank you men who played a big part in my boxing journey. To Bob Aram, thank you for helping make many of my biggest fights in my career. You give a kid from the Philippines a chance to show the world what he could do. And to all Heman, thank you for helping me, especially the later part of my career. I dedicate this moment to every underdog, every dreamer, every person who keeps fighting even when the odds are against them. To my wife, Kitty, and our children, Jibril, Michael, Princess Queenie, and Israel. You are my heart. You are the reason I fight beyond the ring. To the Filipino people, to the fans all over the world, thank you for your love, your prayers, and your support all these years. We carried me through every victory and every defeat. I want to say thank you to all the media and press because of your big help to the boxing industry. And to all of us, we became popular because